Hello, so today we are going to solve this problem called shuffle string. So the problem says given a string s and an integer array indices of the same length, the string s will be shuffled such that the character at the ith position moves to indices I in the shuffle string. So we have a string s and we have an array of indices as input, and s will be shuffled such that the character at the ith position, we will shuffle S so that the character to the 8th position moves to indices of I position, and do not return the shuffle string. So correlate here means that the character at index 0, which is C, needs to move to the 4th position. So here we moved C to the 4th position, right? Well, should be pretty easy. Should be just we could just have S2, right? Be like this. Placeholder multiplied by the length of S, and then we could go through new I in let's call this shuffled in indices. We need to enumerate it, and in the shuffled index new I, we need to contain the element of index I. At the end, we can return join shuffle. Okay, that worked. With ABC, let's try as well this one, and the indices are here, and then this one, the indices are here. Okay, seems to work fine. Let's submit. Okay, so that passes. Can we improve this a little bit? Maybe just changing in place, right? So if I try to change in place, can we do it with just swapping? So S of I and S of new I are going to switch positions. So that would be we can't assign, that's the problem. Maybe what if we make this be split, right? Can do that, and at that point we could do join. Use SS. Still using extra space, so it's not really useful. Yeah, there is no separator, unfortunately, so Yeah, I think this one is not very useful because we are using extra space anyway. Cool. Let's see if there are better solutions. Swapping in, I think this is C++. Swapping in C++ with strings is easier to do than with Python because we can't assign in Python for a string unless we convert it to a list, I think. So, yeah. This one is pretty similar. Same thing here. Yeah. Seems like most of them are in the same, so solve them in the same way. Yeah, so that's it for this problem.